What's up, y'all? Eddie here with my YouTube channel, Eddie Fix It. Today we're going to be greasing up some door hinges so they stop squeaking when you open and close the door. So let's get to it.
Alright, so here you have a standard door hinge. Basically, there is a pin that goes down in the middle of this thing, and a lot of times if it's not lubed up properly, it's metal on metal contact and it can cause an awful squeaking noise. In order to remedy that, we have a very simple solution. All you need is some spray lubricant, kind of like this, that we can spray inside that hinge so that there's some kind of lubrication and it doesn't squeak anymore. So there's really no right, wrong, or perfect way to do this. Basically, as long as you can get some of that lube inside of that hinge, you're doing it right. I'll show you a couple of methods. So one, you just spray right in the front here. Make sure you have some kind of a paper towel or a shop towel. I'll put a link to the shop towels that I'm using here that I really like using in the description below. Another way to lube your hinges is just spraying the top and letting it drip through the middle of it all the way down to the bottom on its own. Again, make sure you have some kind of a paper towel or a shop towel in order to catch the excess. Then you just open and close your door a few times just to work that lube in there, and you should hear the squeaking stop. If it's still squeaking, you might have other issues and may need to replace your door hinge. Alright, the last way I'm going to show you is a little more technical, but it's definitely not super hard. What you can do is grab a door hinge punch and tap that pin up just a little bit, just so you can get the straw from the spray lubricant in there. Now when you're using this method, you really don't need a whole lot of lube to go in there. So you just give it a quick tap on the top there, and that lube is going to work its way all the way down the hinge all on its own. Now as you saw, I didn't use a whole lot of that spray at all, and you can see it dripping out the bottom side of the hinge. Just make sure you have your shop towel underneath there so you're ready to catch it. After it's done dripping, make sure you clean up your work area all nice and clean, because last thing you want it to do is leave some grease marks on your nice white door. And go ahead and take a hammer and just tap that pin back down in there. It's not going to take much, just a few light taps, just so that top of the pin is seated on the top of the hinge. And that's it. Nice and easy and no more squeaky door hinges. Like I said before, if you want access to any of the tools that I used in this video, be sure to check out the description below as I put links to all of them in there. Also, if you learned a little something from this video or you would like access to more, be sure to go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button, as that just motivates me to create more content like this. That's all I have for this video today, and hope y'all have a great rest of your day.